The Belgian Art Horse is the perfect addition for any classroom or studio. It's made of beech wood, and it has a nice sturdy construction, extra reinforcements, and permanent legs so that you have that extra safety and it's not going to collapse on you. You can fit anything from, a smaller 11 by 14 pad to your 18 by 24 drawing board. You can also have the choice to either keep it at a 120-degree angle, it opens easily, or you can use this peg to put this at a 90-degree angle. It then has 3 different notches so that you can change the angle easily, and you can draw at whatever angle you need. I personally like this angle. It also gives me access to my drawing supplies, which are then stored here while I'm working. And because of the low profile, I can easily see over the board to whatever I'm drawing. My favorite part about this is that you simply close it, and it doubles as a bench. So you can just leave it out in your apartment or your studio or your classroom, and it's a useful piece of furniture just on its own. The Belgian Art Horse is a well-constructed, functional tool for any artist studio.